Hello everyone, a very warm day to you. I hope your day has been going great. I remain your humble host, Becky Usoro. It's that time of the show, Citizens Dialogue on First Next News Port Harcourt. So we discuss trending and interesting political topics. Today we'll be turning into a different direction on Citizens Dialogue, and we'll be talking about roads construction in Rivers State, looking at the ring road construction that have been going on for a while now. And then we'll be looking at a specific community by name Rukpokwu, Eneka Road, that has been affected by the ring road construction, and listen to how people share their views. So we'll look at the causes of bad roads in our society. Number one is poor construction quality and use of substandard materials. If the materials used for the roads are not the right products, it will definitely affect the road. After a while, it will start breaking off, especially when it starts raining. So it's lack of proper drainage system causing waterlogging. When there is no good drainage system, it can result to, waterlogging on the road, and also flooding and erosion, especially in areas like Eleme, Emoha, and then Ahuda. When the rain is really much, the flood could damage the road, especially in rural communities as well with erosion. Okay, so we'll be looking at the disadvantages of bad roads in our society, the effects as well. Number one, we're looking at economic disadvantages, increased transportation costs for goods and services. Yeah, definitely. When the roads are bad, drivers increase the cost of transportation and goods because of the amount of petrol they fill in their vehicles. So they need to, of course, balance their profits because of traffic on the road. Damage to vehicles leads to higher repair expenses. When the roads are bad, it definitely affects the vehicle. Tires break down, overheating in some cars when the traffic is really much. We'll be looking at social disadvantages. Reduce access to schools, hospitals, markets, and workplaces. When the road is really bad, you have to look for, a place that is safer to your own environment, that is conducive for you. And as well, looking at higher risk of accidents and loss of lives, especially when the road is really bad, it's really could result to high risk of accidents and then loss of lives on the road. Difficulty for emergency services and ambulance fire services and police to even intervene when, such situations happen. And then we're looking at security disadvantages. Bad roads create hotspots for robbery and kidnapping, right? When the road is really stopped, there's lots of traffic, probably on expressways. You hear incidents that, robbers, they rob passengers who are traveling afar. Then slow movements makes travelers easy targets as well. And then number four, we'll look at environmental disadvantages. Flooding caused by poorly constructed or blocked drainage. Dust pollution in dry season, erosion destroying farmlands as well. Before we push further, let's watch a report from our correspondent, King Sojalo, on how people share their views on Eneka Rukpokwu Road construction. Please stay with us.
In observation on the ongoing construction site and the rehabilitation of the first flyover market Eneka Road, Rukpokwu, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, residents, motorists and traders emphasize on various circumstances and challenges they face due to delay of the road project. Report says it commenced earlier 2024, which is still yet to be completed by the laborers and engineers. Many sellers says it affects their businesses due to the unfinished job, while motorists raises alarm on how it affects their vehicles while using the uncompleted road. Residents are calling on the government to take immediate effect on the quick conclusion on the ongoing projects.
It's my pleasure having you once again on First Next News Port Harcourt. I am King Sojalo. We are here live on the ongoing construction rehabilitated job done by the Julius Berger at First Flyover, First Market Eneka Road, Rukpokwu, Port Harcourt. We are in the vicinity just to hear from those who dwell in the area about the experience and the rehabilitation going on in this vicinity. Sit tight and let us hear from those who dwell in this vicinity concerning the ongoing construction.
First of all, we thank the state government for developing the Eneka for us. But the construction so far affects us. But when the thing drops, the motor are not passed, so we cannot sell. Then our customers are complaining that they cannot drive in and they cannot drive out. But in coming back now, there's a little improvement. See whether they will complete it. But they now level the ground, but they know Gotara. And here we stop now. It affects my tellers because my customers don't get access. They don't get multiple load to pass through my area like this combine market. Like two or three of my customers they are complaining they cannot meet up because of the bad road. Because there's the gallop everywhere now. They don't fit drive in.
For now, the thing never they give us job. But because like yesterday when this place started, everywhere here full of food. Water they enter inside this shop, this water area. So may we beg government so that they will help us so that we will see road pass. Even though if I buy market for no even come back. Now the other side they will stop me. No way to pass enter inside here because of the bad road.
Yes, I thank God. Before they stop work. Now the road they okay now. They manage our side now they pass. Then they try for work now. Yes, everything they alright now. They made them put more effort so that made them help us work the road finish. Yes.
At first, when these people stop work, we pass through a lot of things. A lot of people suffered from the road because the one they have tried to put together gets spoiled. So we are praying and asking God, please let these people come back so that our road will come back the way it did before. And the day they came back, we are all very happy. And they are trying. I will also thank Mr. Governor, our governor. He's a very good man. You understand? For him to ask these people to come back from the first place.
Welcome to First Next News. Still your correspondent, Kings Ojalo. We are live here at one of the flyover at Rukpokwu Market, where the ongoing construction is still going on.
Welcome back to the show, Citizens Dialogue on First Next News Port Harcourt. I still remain your humble host, Becky Usori. I hope you're having a great time here with us. Thank you, Kings, for that report. We're still on roads. We're looking at bad roads in River State and specifically Rukpokwu Eneka Road, how the road construction, the ring road construction has affected the citizens in Rukpokwu Eneka Road. And now we'll look at bad roads generally have more disadvantages, but there are still few, of course, logical advantages for balanced discussion. Of course, you know, in life, either good or bad, you know, is still an advantage to someone. When the roads are bad, rehabilitation projects create jobs for engineers, construction workers, these are like, you know, career jobs as well, and local laborers too. Government awareness and action, citizens' complaints and media attention can force the government to prioritize infrastructural development. When citizens complain, for instance, somebody can actually take a picture, maybe the road is so bad and they live in that community, they'll take a picture and then post on social media. We thank God for the growth of social media, okay, in the times that we're in now, and then, you know, tag the government officials, you know, and then their voices are being heard, and then the media too is one very great asset that, you know, push out to, that help to voice for the people. And then 3 is encouraging community organizing. Of course, some communities may unite to push for better roads or carry out small repair themselves. Sometimes some people in some communities, they can, you know, come together with their own finances, you know, to see how, when the road has really affected them a lot, they'll just want to come together and see how they can fix the road, which is really, you know, a very good advantage as well. I hope you had, we hope the contractors working will hasten up the job, and we've heard from the view of people who live in that community, Rukpokwu Eneka Road. While we round up for this segment, in summary, we'll be looking at the possible solutions and how to maintain and have a good road. Bad roads in River State cause economic loss, road accidents, higher transport costs, insecurity, stress, and reduce access to essential services. Advantages are few, but include job opportunities from repairs and increased government attention. Solutions require proper construction, drainage maintenance, and accountability. I believe this segment has been very educating. I am Becky Usoro. It's a show Citizens Dialogue on First Next News Port Harcourt. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.